This is my 5-year-old daughter, and she's going to show us how easy it is to make microwave popcorn with our new microwave popcorn maker. Go ahead.
Hi, I love making popcorn with my mom and by my own. It's my first time.
So what do you need to do first?
You have to take the lid off and then push on this, pull it up, and then push on it, keep pushing on it, and then until it goes like this. And then take this out. It's kind of stuck. Yeah. There we go. And then keep the lid like this, and then scoop it up with your popcorn. Only one scoop. And then you will close it kinda, and then put it on like this, and then squeeze it, pull it to, and then you will put on the lid.
And Emmy is going to add butter to hers. So if you were not going to put butter, you would leave that red top closed, but she's going to open it because that's where she's going to put her butter. And you put about 1 tablespoon.
It's stuck.
Remember, you can slide that part.
This is.
There you go. Perfect. And leave it open if you have butter in it, remember?
And now we're going to press the number 3.
So it's going to go on for about 3 minutes. And we have to listen to the popping, right?
Yeah.
And when the popping starts to slow down, that's our cue to take it out.